In 1976, the United Nations adopted two covenants, the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. Together with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, these three documents form the International Bill of Human Rights. These covenants detail the basic economic, social, cultural, civil, and political rights of individuals and nations. Governments and individuals must work together to make the human rights in these covenants a reality to all people. The rights of the covenant apply to all individuals, regardless of race, color, sex, language, religion, political opinion, social status, nationality, property, birth, or other status. Every individual has the right to life. Everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Everyone has the right to freedom of opinion and expression and to take part in cultural life and enjoy the benefits of progress. All people have the right to freely determine their political status and to pursue their economic, social, and cultural goals. Everyone has the right to an education. Education should support human rights as well as economic, social, and cultural development. All individuals have the right to an adequate standard of living, including food, clothing, housing, and the continuous improvement of living conditions. All people have the right to own, trade, and dispose of their property freely. People have the right to work and the freedom to choose their work. All people have the right to just and favorable work conditions, equal pay for equal work, safe and healthy work conditions, equal opportunity for promotion, holidays with pay, including maternity leave, reasonable working hours. All individuals have the right to Social Security and social insurance. Everyone has the right to enjoy the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health. All people have the right to choose whom they will marry and to have a family. Children should be protected from economic and social exploitation and should be given all possible means to develop. All individuals have the right to be free from hunger. This includes appropriate production, conservation, and distribution of food. Governments must cooperate to end world hunger. Everyone has the right to equality before the law, to a fair and public hearing by a competent and impartial tribunal, and to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. No government shall commit genocide, torture, or administer inhumane or degrading treatment. All individuals have the right to privacy. All individuals have the right to enter and leave countries, to choose a home. Nothing in the covenant may be interpreted to destroy any existing rights or freedoms. These covenants are part of the United Nations International Bill of Human Rights. The information contained in them is to be observed and recognized by all individuals and governments so that the highest level of human rights can be achieved. Governments are responsible for reporting their progress to the UN's Human Rights Committee to ensure that these covenants are properly observed and implemented.